बस खाली. वाच ग.
First man. I have no time to help you. I in a hurry.
बस खाली. वाच ग.
Old woman said, where are you going? First man said, I am going to the town hall.
बस खाली. वाच ग.
Today the mayor is going to select the best person in the town, and I am the best. Goes away.
बस खाली. वाच ग.
Young woman said, hey old woman, move aside. Old woman, I can't get up. Please help me. Young woman, I want touch you.
बस खाली. वाच ग.
You are so dirty. Old woman, look and my clothes. I go sorry.
I am
I am
wearing
wearing my best
clothes
clothes
today. बस खाली. वाच ग.
I want to be the best person in the town.
वाच ग. बस खाली.
Strong man. Hey old woman. Move aside. Old woman. I can't get up. Please help me. Strong man. I am not your servant.
बस खाली. वाच ग.
Don't
tell
tell me what to do. I am in hurry.
बस खाली. वाच ग.
Rich woman. Hey old woman. Move aside. Old woman. I can't get up. Please help me. Rich woman. Don't you want
Who
who I am
ask somebody.
somebody
बस खाली. वाच ग.
goes away.
Many
people come and go
without helping.
helping the old man.
वाच ग. लक्ष्मी.
Small child. Hello old man. Why are you sitting here? Old man. I feel down and I can't get up.
बस खाली. वाच ग.
Small child. Can I help you? Help the old man to get up. Where to do you want to do? Old woman, can you take me to the town hall? Small child, sir, come with me.
वाच ग.